Ever wondered what veggies you can grow in small pots? Well, you're not alone. Urban gardening is taking over, and today we're diving into the world of container gardening. We're going to unwrap the secret of turning those small pots into your personal veggie garden. From your patio to your balcony, we're going to transform every corner into a green paradise. So, are you ready? Stay tuned as we explore the top 9 vegetables that thrive in small pots. First on the list is spinach, a fantastic leafy green for your mini garden. Spinach is a great choice for container gardening due to its shallow root system, which allows it to thrive in smaller spaces. This versatile veggie is also quite adaptable to different sunlight conditions, flourishing in both full sun and partial shade. To maximize your harvest, opt for a wide pot, which provides ample space for planting multiple spinach plants together. And here's a pro tip. Practice successive sowings. This means planting new seeds every few weeks to ensure you have a steady supply of fresh spinach throughout the growing season. So if you are looking for a leafy green for your container garden, spinach is a great choice. Next up are bush beans, compact plants ideal for small pots. You don't need a sprawling garden space to cultivate these delicious legumes. Bush beans are naturally compact, making them perfect for container gardening. Unlike their relatives, the pole beans, bush beans don't demand a lot of vertical space. Instead, they focus their growth horizontally, allowing you to make the most out of your limited space. If you're considering growing these, opt for large pots and plant 2 to 3 bean plants in each one. You'll be surprised at the yield you can get from this simple setup. So, if you're searching for a high-yield, space-saving option, look no further. Bush beans are a compact, high-yield option for your pot garden. Carrots, especially dwarf varieties, are a fun addition to your container garden. These root veggies love a deep pot, so if you're aiming for full-size carrots, ensure you have at least 18 inches of depth. The soil type is also important. Loose, sandy soil will be your best bet for perfect carrots. The joy of pulling out a freshly grown carrot from your pot is a feeling that's hard to beat. You'll get to enjoy a healthy homegrown snack, and the vibrant orange color is a sight to behold. And don't forget, carrots are packed with nutrients like beta-carotene, fiber, and vitamins. So, for a crunchy, healthy snack straight from your garden, consider carrots. Eggplants are not only delicious but also a great addition to your container garden. These versatile plants thrive in a 14 to 16-inch diameter pot, which can comfortably accommodate 1 to 2 eggplant plants. Eggplants love warm weather and require 6 to 8 hours of sunlight each day for optimal growth. They prefer well-drained soil, so make sure your container has good drainage holes. Regular watering is key, but avoid overwatering to prevent root rot. Fertilize them every 2 weeks for best results. And don't forget, eggplants come in a variety of fun colors and shapes, adding a vibrant touch to your garden. So, for a touch of color and variety, consider eggplants. A lettuce and salad greens are perfect for growing in pots. These versatile veggies are a dream come true for urban gardeners. They thrive in small containers, and their shallow root system makes them perfect for shallow pots. The beauty of growing lettuce in pots is that you can have a fresh salad at your fingertips, literally. You can plant a variety of lettuce types together, creating your own gourmet salad mix. The convenience is unmatched. You can pick fresh greens for your meals right from your balcony or patio. So, if you're a fan of a crisp, leafy salad, consider growing lettuce in pots. Lettuce offers a fresh, healthy addition to your meals straight from your container garden. No garden, container or otherwise is complete without tomatoes. These sun-loving plants are ideal for pots, especially if you opt for dwarf or determinate varieties, which deliver a more compact growth habit perfect for small spaces. 5-gallon pots are a good size for these types, allowing enough room for roots to spread and flourish. Remember to provide good drainage and consistent watering, as tomatoes dislike being too dry or too wet. Place your pots in a sunny spot, ideally with 6 to 8 hours of sunlight each day, and a stake or cage can be useful for support as the plant grows. Tomatoes are a staple in many recipes, making them a must-have for your pot garden. Garlic, a surprise entry, grows excellently in containers. This culinary staple, known for its zesty flavor and health benefits, can be quite a rewarding plant to grow in your urban garden. To start, choose a pot that's at least 12 inches deep to give the bulbs ample room to mature. Fill the pot with a rich, well-draining soil, and plant the cloves about 2 to 3 inches deep. Keep in mind, garlic prefers full sun and regular watering, but don't overdo it. The bulbs don't appreciate soggy conditions. As a bonus, growing garlic can help keep pests at bay, adding an extra layer of protection for your other potted veggies. Garlic is a perfect choice for those looking to maximize their small space gardening. Radishes are a quick and easy vegetable to grow in pots. They are the perfect choice for those craving a speedy harvest or looking to fill gaps between other slower-growing vegetables. Known for their vibrant colors and crisp texture, radishes add a delightful crunch to your salads and dishes. The secret to a successful radish harvest is to sow them in loose, well-draining soil. Another great thing about radishes is their adaptability. They can grow in both cool and warm seasons, although they prefer cooler temperatures. Remember to provide them with some afternoon shade to prevent premature bolting, and keep the soil evenly moist. With frequent small sowings, you'll have a steady supply of fresh radishes at your fingertips. Radishes are a quick harvest option for your pot garden. Last but not least, both sweet and hot peppers thrive in pots. They bring not just a burst of flavor to your meals, but also a splash of color to your container garden. These sunny plants love warm weather and need at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. Opt for a pot that's at least 12 inches deep to give their roots plenty of room to grow. Water them regularly, but be careful not to overwater as peppers don't like soggy soil. Feed them with a balanced fertilizer to ensure a bountiful harvest. Peppers are also great companions for plants like tomatoes and basil, so consider pairing them up in your potting plans. Peppers are a colorful and spicy addition to your container garden. That wraps up our list of 9 fantastic veggies to grow in small pots. From the leafy goodness of spinach to the fiery punch of peppers, we've seen how space is no barrier to a bountiful harvest. Each of these veggies thrives in containers, offering a great way to make the most of small urban spaces. So why wait? Start your own container garden today and enjoy fresh homegrown veggies right at your fingertips.